Moving on to sports. Weightlifter Psycho Mirabai Chanu has once again showcased Manipur's sporting prowess to the world by winning a gold medal at the ongoing 23rd Commonwealth Games 2026. She has now retained her gold medal for 3 consecutive editions, including the previous iterations at Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia in 2018 and Birmingham, England in 2022. She also set a new record in the women's 48 kilograms category in Glasgow, Scotland by lifting 85 kilograms in a snatch and 105 kilograms in a clean and jerk for a combined total of 190 kilograms. Nigerian weightlifter Ruth Asuko Nyong secured the silver medal in the same category by lifting a total of 168 kilograms, while Malaysia's Irene Jane Henry finished third with a total lift of 167 kilograms. Meanwhile, Manipur pugilist Manding Bum Jadumani has sailed into the quarterfinals by defeating Pakistan's Sumana Rahman 5-0 in a unanimous decision in the round of 16. Jadumani will face England's Alice Trowbridge in the quarterfinals tomorrow. On the other hand, weightlifter Sorokhaibam Bindyarani Chanu will compete this evening at 8 p.m. In an exclusive telephonic conversation with SKTV, the silver medalist of the Birmingham 2022 Commonwealth Games expressed hope of winning a medal in the ongoing Glasgow Games in the women's 58 kilograms category. She further appealed to the people of Manipur to pray for her.